Hello and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how I made an infrared proximity sensor. Since I was attracted to robotics club and the world of Arduino and sensors, I became eager to learn how to create such devices to gain more knowledge about electronics and PCB fabrication. I began by replicating the well-known Arduino Uno board, and now I'm working on the TCRT5000 IR sensor. To start off, I looked up online for the module schematic and tried to create a similar one using the online design tool EasyEDA. Meanwhile, I was learning about the two main necessary components, which are the infrared transmitter and receiver. The TCRT5000 sensor operates by emitting infrared light through its IR transmitter, which then reflects off any object in its path. This reflected light is detected by the IR receiver and converted into an electrical signal. Another part that plays an important role in the sensor is the comparator, which changes the analog signal from the phototransistor into a digital one to make it easier for boards like the Arduino to understand. Additionally, with the 10K potentiometer, it enables the adjustment of the sensor's sensitivity to detect objects at different distances. Alright, now I'm going to leave you with the soldering process, and I hope you enjoy watching it come together. So this is the sensor. I hope you enjoyed the video. For further details, you can check the link in the description. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one.